Hey guys, this is Fundo on Onchopagama. Tonight on Uzalo. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Mondley wants a help from Detective Biela and Detective Dong and investigate what happened on the police station. Who sells this evidence that put him on the cell? And it seems like Detective Dongwe and Biela they wants to show that Captain Mondley is innocent. While Nyao is announced as a new acting captain of Kwamashu Police Station, and Nyao announcement leave many officials stage. Pastor Kuala surprise Kazmulo when he offers to get date. Winning the competition seems to be a matter of life and death for Ndu. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.